8/27, 2022. Anyway, we're going to shoot at that 3D target there. There's actually two of them there, but we're going to shoot at the deer target. You really can't tell how far it is on the camera, but I'm going to give you a hint. Right around 50, as far as I know. Might be more. Pretty close to 50 though. Always mark your scope where your focus is. That way if you hit it and it spins off like that, get it right back on. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see how many of my pins fit into that target. So if I only fit one line and the next line down is on the bottom of the chest, well, it's a 50-yard target. You do the same thing with your pins on your bow sights. Squeeze them all up real tight and use them for a rangefinder. Anyway, let's see if old Daddy can hit it. I'm shooting a 50 grain hit. Air that's 50 grains heavier than the ones I've been shooting, so let's just see what happens. Boy, that's close. That's pretty close, boys and girls. It's a little bit slower than it was. I'll have to account for that. I would like to have that shot about an inch higher. There it is on the very bottom of the lungs. It's pretty much both lungs, it looks like. God bless from the 405, getting ready for bow season.